Ministry and professional associations, is working on the third part of the EDP, which is also supported by a World Bank loan that will be, I hope, approved in the following weeks. New initiatives will be included in this program in order to improve the business environment, to simplify logistic procedures, and to set up best practices on governance. The Trade and Investment Framework Agreement, TIFA, concluded in 2002, is a forum to discuss issues of mutual interest in order to enhance new opportunities for trade and investment. Under TIFA process, the Tunisia SME project, founded by USAID, was initiated by Ministry of Trade and Handicraft in 2002 and 12. Excuse me. This project aims to strengthen Tunisia's economic competitiveness and to develop exports for more than about 80 Tunisian SME in specific sectors like organic products, clothing, and services. I hope that with the establishment of a permanent USAID office in Tunisia, additional projects for Tunisia SMEs will be implemented. Furthermore, the US Generalized System of Preference, GSP, grants free access for some Tunisian products exported to US market. This system includes mainly agricultural, food and handicrafts products, but clothing and leather products are not eligible to GSP treatment. And since August 2013, the system was interrupted, and we hope that it will be renewed as soon as possible. That depends on US Congress, I think.